Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional gele style, and the measurement for this gele is 30/70. You're going to take two big pleats, place at the back of your head, bring forward and cross. This gele style is very easy to do, it's beginner friendly, and it's also headache free. That's for those that complain that they usually have headache when they tie gele. So watch carefully and learn. So after we've successfully crossed, you're going to use that your 30. You're going to roll it and wrap it around in a circular motion, as you can see. When you're done rolling it around, you take a pin and pin to secure. You can pin more than once. Now we go ahead to the longer flap of the gele. So watch carefully and see how I do it. You're going to pick your fan like plates. You're going to pick your fan. So you spread it, then you start picking. You pick one, you move backwards. You pick one, you move backwards in a circular motion. So watch carefully, and please note, when you spread out your fabric like this, don't take the part that is connected to the base. You're going to pick the other side, so ensure that the part you're using to make your fan is the other side, not the one that is linked to the base. As you can see, our fan has started coming out. You take small at the end, big in front. That's how you do to form your fan, and you move like that until you've exhausted the fabric. So for beginners, when you're doing this, to help you let your fan be in place, you're going to pin. But on a normal day, I wouldn't advise you to pin. But for beginners, once you've picked, you pin so that it doesn't move away. Now when we are done picking, we are going to draw it and make it to be in place, as in it's supposed to be around your head, you know, like all these Korean hats. When you're sure everything is in place, then you go ahead to twist the excess that is remaining and pin before you go ahead to make your finishing touches. So watch carefully, I wouldn't talk much. Now after we are done rolling it and pinning, we are going to start ensuring that our fan comes out the way we want it. So you can do it to your taste, shape it to your taste. If you want it, smaller, or if you want it loose, you can do it to your taste. Now I've drawn it the way I want it, then I take both sides and pin. And when I'm pinning to, that part that we twisted, that's where I'm pinning it to, so that it's going to be stable. Then we go ahead to make this one neat so that it doesn't look bulky. Gang, our gele is taking shape. You can tie this for your pastor's wife, your mom, just anybody. When you show them the style and they like it, you can tie it for them. This is suitable for church. It's suitable for owambe parties. It's not every time you look the regular. You can also, look different but cute. Now what I'm doing here is just to ensure that the fans are in place and they're in the same order. You see how the thing is moving. Now I'm arranging that back part so that it comes out well. It's not supposed to be the same with the front. Like as it's going towards the back, it's supposed to be getting smaller, or would I say shorter, so that the gele is going to come out well, like as if it's round. All right, we are done with our gele. Very beautiful, nice and classy. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.